and action!
Success! Success is not alone skill and dreams of daring great.
It is the roses that you plant beside your garden gate.
Success! It is the roses that you plant beside your garden gate.
Success is in the way you walk.
The way you walk, the way you walk, the path of life each day. It's in the little things you do and the things you say. Success is not in getting rich or rising high or fame. It's not alone in winning goals which all men hopes to claim. It is the man you are each day through your happiness and care. It is the happy words you speak and the smile you wear.
Success is being big of heart.
And great and broad of mind. It is being faithful to your friend and to the stranger